Today I'll be reading the book My Brother by Anthony Browne. He's cool, sometimes. My brother is really cool. He's got cool ears, cool sweater, cool hair, cool shirt, cool jeans, really cool sandals. He's a great jumper. Cool jump. A terrific climber. Cool climbing. Cool Kong. And he scores fantastic goals. Cool kick. Cool goal. He's really cool, my brother. My brother's a super skateboarder. Cool knee pads, cool skateboard, cool helmet. And he's got massive muscles. Cool pants. He can run so fast that he can fly. Yes, my brother is really cool. My brother's read hundreds of books. Cool chair. And he writes brilliant stories. Cool knight, cool giant, cool soldier. He can draw anything. Cool wolf. And he can blow amazing bubbles. He's really cool, my brother. Cool bubble. My brother is a wild rock singer. Very cool mic. Cool haircut. And a dazzling disco dancer. Cool shirt, cool suit, cool medallion. Sometimes he can be very scary. Cool teeth, cool hairstyle, cool cape. And he can even whistle. My brother is so cool. My brother stands up to bullies and sits down on monsters. As a matter of fact, my brother is a real cool cat. Cool shades, cool ears, cool whiskers, really cool sandals, and a cool tail. And guess what? I'm cool too. Cool ears, cool sweater, cool jeans, cool hair, cool shirt, and cool sandals. The end.